What is up, everybody? Crescent's Crypto here, back with a video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I would like to give a quick shout out to Sankar Puthikuchi. Hopefully I pronounced that name right. Being our very first Patreon pledger, man, at the highest tier. I greatly appreciate that, brother. You're the first one, so it means a lot to me. Like I said, you pledge to any of the tiers, I'll shout you out in my video, as well as leaving you in the end credits to just show my appreciation for your support. It goes a long way, making sure this channel is getting better and better for you guys. So obviously, I'm thankful for that. I will be doing a $50 EGLD giveaway at my 500 subscriber mark, and I was thinking about it, and I'm probably going to be start doing live streams once I hit 1,000 subscriber, guys. So I'll be doing a 1,000 subscriber live stream for y'all. I kind of want to get a bigger audience and make sure that I'm not wasting anybody's time. So with that said, let's get into the video here. Elrond sitting at $187. It's been going sideways a lot lately, ever since for a couple weeks now. It's been trading sideways. We still don't know where the price will go to yet, but I'm extremely confident. Like I said, every single day I just forget about it. I check the price and I make videos on it for you guys, but I'm not the kind of guy to be going on my phone and checking my app every 10 seconds to see if there's any price movement. This is a long-term hold, guys. I like to just show the daily snapshots as a way we can record where EGLD is right now compared to where it's going to be in the future, right? So interesting news here from Bogdan Rosianu. Hopefully I pronounced that right. Relentless progress on all fronts means the Elrond network ecosystem has never looked better, right? So decentralized 2.0 is lined up for an explosive launch once Maiar Exchange goes live, and staking incentives will be further aligned toward more decentralization, guys. So weekly Elrond Tech, there's some new updates that they have not put out yet, so let's take a look and read through them here. So obviously the MEX distribution snapshots and calculation automation, you have the RON-WASM VM redesign, gas and overall efficiency, and lastly DeFi 2.0 service module audits and testing. So let's see what he has to say about these updates, right? So one, improvements in automation have increased the accuracy of the snapshot data and subsequent calculations. The resulting code will be the base for critical tooling necessary for harvesting on-chain data for future similar activities. So yesterday they had a problem with the MEX eligible snapshots, and they have fixed it now. So make sure you go back on the Maiar Exchange and check. Number two, the RON-WASM VM has undergone a major redesign around contract modules, calls, call/callback proxies, and the API system, resulting in increased efficiency. Furthermore, the gas management has been adapted to track developer royalties. So again, they're making sure that everything is going well with their contract modules, and that's probably the most important thing, right? If people are going to use this project, this ecosystem, these smart contracts has to work, because if they're broken and people lose money, that's not good. So number three, decentralized finance 2.0, special focus on these smart contracts underpinning the farms and rewards distribution with an emphasis on testing. Additional audits of the Maiar Exchange architecture includes distribution, economics, farming, and swaps, guys. So it's important to understand, right? The DeFi 2.0 is going to be focusing on those smart contracts like we just said, and then the farms and rewards distribution, which creates those incentives for people to use the blockchain, right? And then making sure that testing is being conducted and everything is good to go. So some other notable achievements, they have add wallet connect to ERDJs. Do you have the wallet connect in the delegation dashboard? So obviously when you go on your Maiar app in the settings, you can configure it where you can connect directly to the Maiar Exchange website, and then you can see your eligible MEX, and there's more to come on that. They're going to build upon that, but it's a good start, right? Adding NFT metadata into the Mandos Go, and fixing get ESDT token data, which is the royalties and value were not being passed over properly from the API function. So API is extremely important in making sure things are running automated, right? And if that doesn't work, then you really can't have an efficient system. So number five, ESDT NFT marketplace testing. So improve the tri-sync process by reducing the number of requests when syncing. System tests is the branch testing, which is soft restart, new ESDT endpoints, start an epoch fix, and then working on a script that outputs results of a branch system test. So what is all that? basically under the hood stuff when it comes to Maiar Exchange. Just because they're not putting out posts and marketing doesn't mean that they're not working on stuff. Obviously, as you can see here, they're making sure the marketplace is good to go, and they don't have that stuff available to us yet, but that's why they're giving us these kind of updates to show you guys what they're doing every single week. They're not just wasting time, right? 6. Ledger Live added Elrond in the Ledger.js crypto assets, updated and tested HW app Elrond, extended the API route / hyperblock with some extra fields that will contain information about the start of the epoch block, and then fixed status of the transactions with ESDT transfer. So it's a lot of good updates with that. The Ledger Live, if you guys use a nano ledger, making sure that you guys' crypto is secure and safe. There you go. The app is getting updated as we speak. Number 7, continued work of the growth matrix in order to provide information about the Elrond chain from the beginning, extended the API route / address, the ADDR with an extra field that will contain information about the developer reward. 8, a lot of updates, guys, as you can see. Added an extra command in the Elrond Go makefile that will run the Golang key linters. Finalize new pure heartbeat interceptor, work in progress for the required components needed by this interceptor, test and bug fixes for the hard fork components. So a lot of this stuff, guys, I'm not even familiar with. I'm not a real big tech or software dude, but for me, it just shows that they're working on different aspects of the blockchain and the Maiar Exchange, on the many different things that come with it. For you techies out there who understand what they mean by all these tech updates, comment down below what you guys translate it for us, please, for the stupid people. 9, general cleanup on development branch, bug hunt for an out-of-memory exception, bug hunting and bug fixing for the status of ESDT transfer transactions displayed on the API, and then added new endpoints for queuing, separate sets of fungible, semi-fungible, or non-fungible tokens. So again, you need to make sure you're separating those, right? And they're adding ways to queue that kind of stuff. 10, finished implementation of the new feature validator to delegation with new contract and with merge between validator and delegation contract as well. Added a series of tests for all use cases. ERDJ snippets, SC examples is like adding the wrappers for calling methods with the ESDT token. So again, all smart contract stuff. 11, ESDT documentation and helpers functions added in the JS, which is added scheduled transactions root hash management on the header, validation on header interceptors with backwards compatibility for the new header version, and working on the poly network integration, optimized move balance app. So again, a lot more stuff with that. Number 12, added unit tests for backwards compatible parameters adjustment for the top up rewards formula, fixed bug on validator with start and epoch set to false, unit tests on rewards for different number of nodes in the network, and test and fix borrowing bugs. And then there's 2 more, guys, bear with me. Integration test for gas use mismatch bug finalized, text and fix repay bugs, Kubernetes cluster and express API in Kubernetes, refactor of contract testing and existing test, plus new gas management test, and added custom elliptic curves functionalities. So guys, a lot of under the hood stuff. Now again, we probably won't understand what all of this means, but as you can see here, they give it to us raw, they give it to us uncut, and I'm here giving it to you crustless, obviously, as cheesy as that sounds. A lot of different things are being worked on. So it's not like, they're just delaying the Maiar Exchange and everything with it because, one of their employees are on vacation. No, they're doing a lot of key stuff that's under the surface, guys, that we don't realize. Even I don't understand. But I do understand transparency. Transparency is huge, and I always talk about it in my videos. If a company or a blockchain ecosystem community, a team is transparent and they're letting us know, giving us constant updates, to me that's important to talk about and to share with you guys. So please, guys, go on the Maiar Exchange, double check your eligible Maiar balance, your MEX balance, right, to see how much you have. We're almost done with the 3rd MEX snapshot cycle. Hopefully we'll be able to see our eligible MEX much more faster than the 2nd week. Again, I assume that they're probably working a lot of the processing and calculating that goes with that. So again, yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, down below. Appreciate you guys watching, support as always. Like, comment, subscribe. Love you guys. Hope you guys having a good weekend wherever you are, and I'll see you in the next video.